Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You can find the exhaust muffler from the easy-to-fit kit by Faurecia, used in the video through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Unplug the battery. In order to make changes to the exhaust muffler, you have to raise the rear of your vehicle, lift the back of your vehicle and place it on the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. A rusty, damaged or overused exhaust line can mean that your vehicle fails its MOT. It is therefore recommended to change these parts preventatively. On this vehicle, the exhaust line is in two parts. You will therefore have to separate the exhaust line after the exhaust muffler when replacing the muffler. On second-hand vehicles, it is possible that the link up between the line and the muffler has been soldered together. If this is the case, then you will have to cut the line when changing the exhaust muffler on the exact place that will make it possible to assemble the new elements without adaptation issues, but also to be able to remove the muffler. If your assembly is the original one, start by removing the clip that links the muffler to the exhaust line using a socket wrench and a 13mm socket. You can now undo the 3 silent blocks that hold the muffler in place. Use a screwdriver to stretch the rubber and then take them off the holding rod. The muffler is now free. You can remove it. Finalize the removal of the silent blocks.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
The easy-to-fit kits by Faurecia are split up in several parts, which makes it possible to assemble the entire exhaust line easily, safely and on your own without needing specific equipment. The kits come with all the accessories needed for assembly, adapted to the line in question. This means you do not have to worry about missing parts or compatibility issues which might stop you from completing the operation. Take the silent blocks supplied in the easy-to-fit kit, grease them to make them easier to install. And put them in place on the exhaust muffler. Slide the clamping clip supplied in the kit onto the muffler inlet. You can now install the muffler. Slide the muffler into its housing and slide it along the exhaust line. Then, while still holding everything, start by installing the silent blocks in such a way to be able to keep the muffler hanging during the subsequent actions. Once hanging from the 3 silent blocks, fit the muffler correctly onto the exhaust line, then position the clamping clip near to the end of the tube and using a socket wrench and a 13mm socket, tighten the clip. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Assembly of your new muffler is now complete. Check that there are no contact points between the exhaust line and the heat shield. You can now put your vehicle back on the ground. Reconnect the battery. Calibration completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.